Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy, the Real Car Wash Guy, coming at you live with my first live voiceover video. I want to give thanks to all my subscribers and my viewers. Thank you guys so much for the support. I don't want to make this too long, so I just want to let you guys know that I do want to give back. So I am going to be putting together a small upkeep care package for your vehicles with some of my favorite products out there in the detailing world. Some of the products that I personally use for my clients to keep their vehicles looking their best. The way I want to do this is, if we can get this video to 100 likes, I will be dropping another video after that, letting you guys know how I will be picking the winner for the care package. So if you guys can help me out, guys, get to 100 likes on this video, it would be really much appreciated. Please let me know down in the comment section if you guys like the video, share it, subscribe. Once again, thank you guys so much for the support. Enjoy the rest of the video clips, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.